So there's my little quail buddy. Every time I come out here, he races me on the road. Insists on not moving out of the way. Just too funny. Every time. Same place, same time. Gotta be the same little guy. Look at him go. Just too funny. If I catch up to him, he'll fly a little bit. Look at him. He don't care. He don't give two shits, man. Look at him. There he goes. See? Yeah. Fly up. Let me catch up to him again. Just too funny. There he is. Here's my little buddy. Just my little guide. Must be my tour guide. Quail Tours. Look at him. It's just too freaking funny.